Now, as the cries grow louder for the authorities to urgently address the internet challenges in rural areas, this evening we take you to the community of Somerset in East Rural St. Andrew, where the lack of connectivity is not the only setback for students. Krista Campbell explains.
It's a 2-mile trek on foot to get to the East Rural St. Andrew community of Somerset. Our correspondent Aries Fagan had to stop a few times to catch his breath, then hurry to get to the community before the rain. And here's why. The aftermath of heavy rains from Tropical Storm Delta, burying the main road beneath mud, trees, large stones and boulders.
Look at the road, there's a big stone coming down there, and we will see a 1.5 foot man there is there helping to bust the stone that vehicle can go across.
Every time rain fall, we have a bad road. Right now, the stone you drop down before election, and all along the stone don't move from the yard gate, and it cannot stay there because vehicle cannot pass it. So we have to come and stop right here, so take off the goods and carry home.
Up on a hill is the all-age and infant school. Children dressed, but nowhere to go. Residents want the government to allow physical attendance at the school because Somerset is a small community, which they say makes it easier for students to observe physical distancing protocols. They explain the struggles with online learning since schools closed in March.
I have a big challenge with the internet. TVJ not working, CVM not working. And they have classes that go on those stations. She can't have access to it either. All 3 weeks, no internet, so she cannot do any online classes.
We have students going to Camperdown. We have students going to St. Thomas Technical, Seafort, Yallas, Donald Quarry, and none of them cannot do them work. None of them can access them work, none at all. Not even the picking up of the work can be accessed, because even the bridge that leads to here, same St. Thomas, Landui Bridge specifically, is cut off. People have to be going through the riverbed. And right now, the river is full of water. Full of water. We have to be jumping stone. The children might even drown.
The Kingston and St. Andrew Municipal Corporation, which has responsibility for the roads in Somerset, says it was informed about the roadblock on Thursday and an engineering team will be working to clear it by weekend. The corporation says it will need other state agency assistance for a longer-term solution to the recurring road issues in Somerset. Krista Campbell, TVJ News.